Uh, Hello friends, I'm going to tell you today how you can create a virtual machine in Windows Azure. So if you have a Windows Azure account or you are a Bizspark subscriber, you can use Windows Azure for creating virtual machine. Uh, Windows Azure Platform as a Service provides very good options for uh, virtual machines. In case you want to test something, you don't have enough hardware, so you can quickly create a virtual machine and destroy it as soon as your work is finished. So you have to keep your virtual machine up and running for the time being you are using, and once your work is done, either you can stop it or you can delete it, so you don't have to pay for that always. So it's a very good option when you have to test something. Let's see how you can do it. So you have to go to the portal called portal.azure.com, or you can go to manage.windowsazure.com. This is Azure portal. This is actually old portal. This portal would be closed in some time, so everything would be switched to new portal. So let's go to new portal and see everything on the new portal. So we'll click here on check out new portal, click on launch. As soon as you launch this, you'll see a new dashboard. New portal, there are new things. Some of the things have changed uh, as compared to old portal. The way we used to do in the old portal, it's totally changed in the new portal, and there are few more addition in new portal, but today we will specifically talk about virtual machines, how to create virtual machine. So here uh, you will see the dashboard, new portal dashboard. Once you land here, you will see in the right side, you will see in the left side, you will see several options. So here is a option for virtual machine. You have to click on this. Once you click, you'll see this dashboard. So here you would find a button called add. So click on add. Oh, yeah. uh, yeah, so it will load different virtual machine libraries. So here there are different virtual machine templates. So using these template, you can create your virtual machine. Let's say you want to create Windows server, so you have to pick up Windows server. Something you want to create for Linux, Ubuntu, or something related to SQL. uh, so everything is here, so you would find almost every type of machine here. Let's click on Windows server. uh, let's click on this HPC. So here you'll see the list of different Windows server 2012 data center, R2 2016, and so on. So I'm clicking on this basic machine. Okay, so you just, these are some terms and condition, legal terms and condition. So yeah, you have to click on create. Give your virtual machine a name. Give a username. Okay, so this username and password is the username that you would use while logging in the password. So it's very essential you remember it. Using this username, you can log into this VM name. So you can use the existing group as well. So in case, yeah, so create, okay. Yeah. So here you can pick up size of your VM and VM type. I mean, what resources you need. So based on your requirement, you can pick up your VM. There are two VMs available in this 2012 data center section. So in this standard, you have two. One is with 8 core, another is also with 8 core. There is little difference. There is little, although they are almost same in this case. So you can select what you want. So you can select. So one good thing about this is it gives you the estimated pricing as well. So if you continuously use this machine 24 cross 7 for a month, the approximate cost of using this machine would be 28,000, and for this machine it would be 30,000. So based on what you need, how many cores you need, what is your memory requirement, your load balancing. mm, so yeah, you can select this. So I am selecting this. Yeah. So you don't do anything here. So everything is configured. So just click OK. Yeah, this is total summary of your VM. In case you are not sure still, and you want to change the configuration, you can click on this close button. You can cancel this, so you can again create it, or you don't want this sort of configuration, you want something else, so you can close that. If you are sure, so everything seems okay, just click on OK. Yeah, once we click on OK, it would start creating virtual machine, and it would take a few minutes, around 5 minutes, to get ready. Once this machine is ready, uh, what you'll have to do is you'll have to go back to here virtual machines tab. If you go here, yeah, this machine is still getting ready, it's not ready yet, so it will listed here, it will get listed here. Let's go back again. Okay, so it usually takes around 4 to 5 minutes to get the virtual machine ready. It creates all the groups, it creates the resources and everything. Yeah, you can see this status is now creating. We'll wait for a couple of minutes to get this machine ready, and we'll also see how we can connect this machine. It is still creating. So the good thing about this feature of virtual machine in Windows Azure is you can use this machine for the time being you want. The moment you feel that you don't need this machine, you can either stop it if you feel that, oh, you need to reuse it 2 days, uh, 2 days later, or after a week you are going to reuse it. You can just stop it. If you feel that no, your work is over, you have done everything what you need, you can just delete it. So you won't be charged for that amount of period. So it is still creating. So once the deployment is complete, you'll see status here as running. So once it's VM is status is running, so we would be able to connect this VM from our local machine using the RDP file this provides. I'll also show you that how we can do this, how we can connect using that RDP file. So let me go back. So yeah, its status is running now. You can see this is complete. Let's click on this. Now, yeah. In order to connect to this, you'll see here a option called connect. We have to click on this. Let's click on connect. So when we click on this, what it does is it downloads a RDP file. So using this RDP file, you can connect virtual machine directly. So if I click on this, so it will have the IP address or anything. So other thing is, using this IP address, you can put this new RDP file and connect it. That's another option. So if I click on connect, okay, you have to enter the username and password that you created while creating the virtual machine. Let me enter that username and password. Yeah, you can see that how simple and how straightforward is that. So I'm able to connect this machine. So within few minutes I was able to create a machine. I was able to connect that, so I can install anything I want. I can start doing my experiment or anything that I want to put here. So I can do it, any code, any piece of tool, anything that my desktop or my local machine does not support, so I can use it here. Okay, so this machine is up and running, you can see this. Okay, uh, that's all. With these quick steps you can create a virtual machine. So if you like our video, this video has helped you, please share our video, like our channel, subscribe our channel. Thank you.